In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload transactions manually. So first, make sure you are logged into QuickBooks Online, and then from the left-hand menu, click on the transactions and then go to the bank transactions. And in here, if your bank isn't connected or you want to upload all the records, you can click the link account. In here, drop down and then select the upload from file. So click this. So now prepare your file. So QuickBooks accepts CSV, QFX, QBO, or OFX format. So make sure your file includes the date, description, and the amount columns. After uploading, QuickBooks will prompt you to map the fields. Just match the columns from your file to the correct data types in QuickBooks. And next, choose the correct bank account you want transactions to go into. And then once done, you can click continue, review your uploaded transactions, and hit finish upload. And then finally, go to your bank transactions tab to review and categorize each transactions as needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.